Coaching skills are highly transferable and exceedingly valuable. And they are also very trainable. With conscious effort, anyone can enhance their ability to communicate better, listen more attentively, or motivate others to grow. In this video, we are going to reveal 14 of the most powerful mental techniques employed by expert life coaches. If you learn and apply these techniques, your life will change forever. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. And comment down below, "I subscribed," so we can welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. Open-ended questions. Life coaches are educated to help us in figuring out ourselves in ways that are difficult for us to figure out on our own. Asking us open-ended questions rather than questions with a limited range of solutions is one of their most effective methods. This allows us to explore previously unexplored areas of thought and pushes us to consider our genuine desires and dreams. Number 2. Guided meditation. Meditation is one of the most healing and useful practices available. Meditation is well known for its capacity to improve focus, improve health, reduce stress, and even extend one's lifespan. If you are new to meditation or only have experience with particular types, your life coach may introduce you to the many meditation techniques and practices and help you through the process until you feel comfortable practicing it on your own. Number 3. Guided visualizations. Visualization is a technique that highly successful people employ. This method is used by life coaches to assist their clients in accomplishing their goals. It's the act of intensely imagining your life as you want it to be and visualizing critical situations coming to fruition. Life coaches may walk you through the visualization process, teaching you the art of visualization and assisting you in selecting imagery that will bring you the most happiness and success. Number 4. Positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are one of the most effective techniques for altering your life and reorganizing your mental patterns. Life coaches frequently use positive affirmations to help their clients integrate more positivity into their lives and to refocus their view of life. These affirmations can be as simple as "I succeed in whatever I do," or as detailed and specific as "I earn $3 million each year." With the use of affirmative phrases, you can help bring whatever it is that you want into your life. Number 5. Shifts in perception. The events that occur in our life do not always bring us the most stress, rather, it is our perception of the events that causes us the most stress. Our ideas can work against us, increasing and exacerbating our issues rather than helping us to solve them and make them more manageable. Life coaches dive into their clients' problems to help them figure out where they need to improve their mindset. Number 6. Thought refocusing. Focusing on something we enjoy rather than things that are unfavorable to us can make us feel better instantaneously and in any situation. We will soon find ourselves feeling joyful if we redirect our thoughts and emotions to things that make us happy. Life coaches are fully aware of this, and they encourage their clients to think joyful, positive thoughts in order to help them overcome their emotional habits. Number 7. Gratitude and appreciation. The practice of gratitude and appreciation is one of the most powerful ways to change people's lives. Life coaches advise their clients to develop gratitude lists in order to change their brain chemistry and refocus their attention on the good aspects of life. People who are constantly seeking for things to be grateful for ignore many of the things they would normally complain about and consistently enjoy higher levels of joy and satisfaction. Number 8. Evidence hunting. After you've decided what you want to do with your life and what you want to believe, the next stage is to uncover evidence to support your desires. Life coaches are frequently trained to assist their clients in locating and gathering evidence for ideas that are consistent with the lives they desire. John, for example, wants to replace his old belief that money is hard to come by with a new belief that money finds him. He gradually replaces evidence that supports his old view with evidence that supports his new idea, until the latter becomes his reality. John's life coach will most likely help him in locating existing supporting evidence as well as conducting study for new proof for the desired belief. Number 9. EFT tapping. Life coaches frequently use tapping as an alternative to traditional acupuncture, which involves repeatedly tapping on certain acupressure points until a bad feeling or pain sensation diminishes. This procedure has helped a wide range of people with a wide range of problems, and it is both safe and natural. Number 10. Neuro-linguistic programming, NLP. This sort of coaching therapy aids clients in reducing stress, improving communication skills, and breaking negative thought and behavior patterns. The procedure is carried out by observing and responding to the client's verbal and nonverbal replies in order to identify the problem and build improved habits and behaviors. This method of treatment has been shown to be successful in the treatment of phobias, depression, and even learning disabilities. Look for life coaches that have been trained and have experience with this form of coaching therapy. Number 11. Cognitive behavioral coaching. This type of coaching or counseling aids individuals in altering their thought patterns, resulting in happier, healthier lives. The reasoning behind this strategy is that negative thinking can be acquired and unlearned. Clients can benefit from the guidance of a skilled life coach who can help them replace their irrational, negative beliefs with good, uplifting ones. This technique has been shown to help with anxiety, depression, and phobias, as well as increasing self-esteem. All of these techniques puts life coaches in a strong position to assist their clients in transforming their lives and achieving their goals. Because each life coach has their own set of skills, you'll always have a number of options when it comes to finding a life coach that has experience with the strategies that sound most appealing to you. It's tough to assume there's no way out of a poor circumstance when you have all of these possibilities in front of you. Life may always be improved. Number 12. Providing feedback and support. We can also learn from sports coaches, who are the most effective source of performance feedback for motivating players. They are crucial in assisting athletes in increasing their self-efficacy, sense of competence, and ultimately self-esteem. Players whose coaches provided more frequent informational feedback to their athletes had higher perceived competence, ability, and satisfaction, as well as a higher inclination to continue playing, according to research. Evidence demonstrates that coaches can provide constructive, informational, and performance-related feedback as much as feasible to keep a person motivated. Number 13. Encouraging a positive, growth mindset. Coaches can model a positive attitude in their interactions with clients and encourage them to do the same. Clients' motivation to improve and increase their talents can be boosted by encouraging them to adopt a growth mindset. Clients are better equipped to overcome hurdles when they are focused on learning, when passion and determination drive effort. A helpful coach who encourages clients to adopt a growth mindset can help them embrace their flaws and any mistakes they make along the way, improving their self-esteem and encouraging them to follow through on their goals for improvement. Number 14. Developing resilience. Adversity and setbacks are inevitable in life, and they commonly occur during a person's coaching journey. Resilience is the ability to be adaptable and flexible in the face of defeat, allowing people to get back on track when they get off track. Coaches who can assist their clients in developing resilience will not only motivate them to endure, but will also contribute to their overall well-being. Conclusion. Nobody is born with all of the necessary coaching abilities, but you don't need a million years of experience to be a good coach. We've broken down a lot of big ideas into smaller ones here, but it's clear that a lot of it boils down to a few important points. Emotional intelligence is used by coaches to communicate with their clients, comprehend their viewpoints, provide feedback, and more. They employ cognitive intelligence to put crucial principles into practice, and all coaches employ positive psychology techniques to motivate others. Simultaneously, a successful coaching process or sequence will be firmly built on personal beliefs, and it will ideally build one's abilities in order to attain the client's desired goal. I hope you learned a lot through this video. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel. Our content is always interesting and engaging, and you wouldn't want to miss out. Hit the like button if you found the content useful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out the links in the description for more interesting psychology topics. Thanks for watching.